Learners get food for eating. Another one. Another importance of the school garden. Learners learn how to dig. Children learn about crops and how to grow them. Children learn about crops and know how to grow those crops. Children may get a lot of food to eat, and lastly, the school gets money. How does the school get money from that food? How does the school get money from that food? Do they just go to the garden and get money from the garden? How do they get money from that school garden? Very good. The school says food and get money. So those are some of the importances of the school garden.